Hello YouTube, welcome diecast enthusiasts. Now what we've got here today is just a simple little box opening from Johnny Lightning. These are the 50th anniversary 2019 set, release 2, and it's the A versions. Now I've got a few Johnny Lightning box openings to do, but I'm going to do them separately so they're short videos just in case they run over quite some time. So after this one there will be others. So let's take a look at these ones. They haven't been opened. I'm not at all sure what's inside these, but I've no doubt it will be something good because I do like Johnny Lightnings. Now, first one out the box. Wow. This is the Hawaiian 1970s Dodge Charger funny car, which, now looking at this, I do have the Auto World pickup truck with the same livery, so I could do a little truck and trailer with this on the trailer. That will look quite smart. This one is limited to 3,812, Hawaiian metallic blue and white, as we can see, die-cast metal chassis and body, carrying on the legacy started by Topper Toys 50 years ago, it says there on the card. It's very nice indeed. The back of the card there with the normal description of other models, etc. Now let's take a closer look. Now I haven't got too many of these funny car dragsters at all in my collection, so this will be a nice addition. And I do love the body, the way it, you know, ramps up there at the front on the little stand, so to speak, to keep it up. Yeah, nice model. Obviously all metal chassis there. Now I know they did do these some time ago and a lot of them are being reproduced. So someone like myself who's been only really collecting some of the Johnny Lightning and M2s in the last 18 months, 2 years, it does give me a chance to be able to pick up some of the models that of course have been long gone in the past. So for me that is good. Pleased with that. Next out of the box is the George Barris ice cream truck. Not that aware of this one. It looks quite smart, and I am of course aware of George Barris, and he does a lot of interesting cars for films, etc. and TV series, but this, yeah, I do like. Daisy Bell ice cream there on the clear window back, very colourful with the flowers. Love the wheels, the chrome rims with the white text on the tyres. Very nice indeed. Lots of detail on this actually. Nice chrome engine. Nice rear lights there, painted but moulded. I believe that is a metal chassis, I think. Hard to tell inside the pack as usual. But yeah, that's nice. A few more of these, 4,652. Nice card art there of child playing with his racing set. Back of the card. So yeah, that is nice. Just raise this camera slightly so you can get all the card in when I do take it out of the box. Wow, this one is a very nice one. This is the '69 Pontiac GTO Judge, which I do like this casting an awful lot. I've got a few of these, probably 4 or 5, and I definitely do like the GTO Judge, and this is really nice in crystal turquoise poly. This one is limited to 3,668, but that is really smart. Nice white interior. Love the wheels on this one. Rear wing or spoiler. Love the fronts of these GTOs. Yeah, very nice. Love the little thin coach line there running through. Metal chassis. Yeah, very nice. I do like this one. The back of the card is the same as the previous ones. This is another smart one here. I do like this box so far. This is the '64 Ford Mustang convertible in Dynasty Green. Again, a nice colour, white interior there that we can see clearly as it's a cabriolet or convertible, whichever you prefer. The rear, as we would know very well with the Mustang, it's very famous. Car and livery, not livery, car and casting. Metal chassis like we know. 3,692 of these. Again, nice card art there from 50 years ago, really replicating that era. The card on a lot of these models that are being released now is, you know, as interesting as the model themselves, really. So a lot of work goes into the thought behind all these, but very nice. I've got 2 more left. This one is the custom Camaro in bright yellow pearl. Lovely colour, very nice. 3,812 limited. Love the colour with the black stripes there. Really nice wheels and tyres. Metal chassis. Really good. I mean, the Johnny Lightnings that are being produced nowadays, I believe, are obviously a lot better than the previous ones, the plain Mantis, etc., but they've really got it off to a T. Round 2 have, with their Auto World and Johnny Lightning and some of their racing champions. So very smart. Last one out the box, we've got all the tissue there. Move the box aside. This one is nice as well. It's a 57 Chevy Bel Air Convertible. I can see the windscreen is protruding a bit there. Probably when I take this out of the pack, I can just push that hopefully down in place. Red and silver seats there. Very nice wheels again on these. Nice colour in the Matador red. 3,764. So again, the numbers are low on these Johnny Lightnings, which is nice because I know these came out 2 years ago, and I've got some newer boxes to open, but compared to Auto World very recently, where they've been pushing the numbers up to 12, 14,000, it seems an awful lot to me. But yeah, very nice. Spare wheel there on the back with the cover. Lots of chrome. Got an opening hood there, or bonnet. Again with the front, as we know so well from the 57 Chev. So very nice. Now I have been putting these in order of preference, and it's going to be difficult with these because I do like them all, so I'm not really sure what to do, but these are all very close in preference, so I'm just going to really randomly select some. Right, I'm going to put the funny car in 6th, the '57 Chevy 5th, the ice cream truck in 4th, the Camaro in 3rd, very nice Mustang convertible in 2nd, star of the show, because I love the Judges, is this beautiful one in crystal turquoise poly. Very nice indeed. Just let you have a close look. Knocked my light there, sorry about that. It's the ice cream truck. The Chevy that leads a little bit of attention there on the screen, but that shouldn't be too bad. And the funny car, as I've said, I do like all 6 of these from this box, so although I've put this in 6th, it you know, it doesn't mean I don't like it. I do very much, so I just like to, you know, add what I feel are my favourites, so you can really get an idea of what models I tend to prefer. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video. Thanks for watching, take care, stay safe, and bye for now.